Hi there, welcome back. So, tell me, how was the last section? Is that boring? I don't think so. So, let's discuss about our brain multitasking. We can say that brain multitasking or multitasking. Coming to the multitasking, is that multitasking is a successful formula? Can you do the multitasking? Is that possible? Is that possible to do the multitasking? See, very simple. Before coming into the multitasking, concentration. For a success, concentration is very, very important. If you are not concentrate, you are not able to get a success. It's can't possible. It's not proven. We need to be success in the sense the success secret is concentration. What's your dream is? How much time you are aligning or you are spending for your dream, your success? No, it's can't possible. People are not doing that. If we are practicing, if we are allotting the time, if we are planning, if we are doing, then definitely we'll get a success. See, I myself, I started my journey the age of, you can say that 14 years. My dad lost everything when I am a small kid. I started working the age of 14 years when I am in 8th grade. I didn't stop my dream. Even I worked in civil construction field. I faced so many problems. So many things are enter into my life when I am in a small kid in 8th, 9th grade or 10th grade. I'm not able to, you know, study well. I'm not able to concentrate in my education. But I did my MBA. And I'm training the people around the globe from past 17 years. And training the people is my the second income and the second business. How I I am able to train the people? What was the secret? Nothing secret. Concentration. Concentration. And whatever your dream is, I planned. In this, I started my business at the age of I think 20 years. Now I am 45. So 20 to 45, it's a 25 years my business journey. I done so many things. So I kept my fingers in so many businesses. I lost. I lost my business in overnight, but I didn't, surrendered, and I didn't like, okay, then over. I'm over. I'll just go to the job and I'll do the job or something else, something else. I am not, my mind is not fixed to the one scale income or work under somebody else. From that time onwards, I'm struggling alone. But still, I'm doing something. I just, I didn't lift my dream. I'm just carrying my dream. I'm carrying my dream. But I'm still struggling. But I'm carrying my dream. I kept my goals and I'm trying to reach that goals. See, take an example. Take example a defense. A soldier. Soldier can't a good shooter or a sniper in one day. Or every soldier is not a sniper. In lakhs of millions of soldiers, you can find 10 or 100 snipers, a good snipers, even though who can shoot even 5 miles range also. You got it now, the weapons like, 5 miles, a long range. I'm not able to, I can't speak in this training program. But what my I'm able trying to explain you is, no one cannot be perfect and no one cannot get success in overnight. We need to work on our goals. I mean to say that every day you need to allocate your goals. If you're working, I'm not saying that leave your job, leave your family and work on the goal. But if it is that situation, if it is that case, you leave it everything. See, in olden days, you can see that in our history, or for example, in Hindu history, there are sadhus who stays in forest to reach their goals. What their goals are? To gain more and more and more and more and knowledge from the universe, more powers. Why they are not becoming a big guru where they are staying in a cities and palaces at that time? Because concentration, you won't get concentration. Because what happens? Early morning you need to wake up, you need to see for your kids, okay? And you need to bring something for your breakfast. Just that is general public. Okay, I'm not speaking about rich kids, rich people. You need to arrange, you need to go to the supermarket or market or somewhere, you need to bring things from, begins from milk. After that, even tension is to having a breakfast also. You will have or not. Sometime it is going to cook, sometime it is not going to cook. That is also your tension. What happens? And you kids are going to the school or not? Some people will drop the kids, then business or office or job, and lunch also, even big tough job. You will get a good taste or not, because while you're working, you feel very very hungry. If you are not getting a tasty food, then your mind will get off. And then what happens? You won't work properly. Why it is interlinked? Yes, it is interlinked. Each and everything is interlinked. And the interlink is for a partial memory. It's a partial memory. It's a very small memory, short memory, you can say that. At that time, it will pinch your memory and it will be vanish. The memory is gone. But you know, at that time, your brain is going to stress out and it will malfunction. Okay, it's not our subject. The concentration. So, doing all this stuff, okay, even you are not able to do your job properly. For example, in an office, you are a manager, okay, so you have a desk job, right? You are going to work on the desk, but you know, some people will come, uh, they will say something, you are going to stop the job and you are going to allocate, get into the other job, whatever the important job is assigned. Or some people will come, sir, chai, tea, coffee, break, and again it's broke off. Then again you will come. So whatever the job you want to do it, you are not able to finish in that whole day also, because lack of concentration. If you are not concentrating on the job, if you are not able to concentrate on the work, if you are not able to concentrate on your plan, if you don't have a rules, then don't think about your dream. When you are thinking about your dream, at any cost, you need rules, and you need to follow the rules, and you need to concentrate and you need to work on that rules. If not, we cannot do. Failure is a learning. When you failed, don't left off. Just don't leave it there. You learned, right? So when I lost my first business, I thought that okay, then I did my the first grade, okay, I'm passed. So I started second business. Okay, then I'm into the second grade. I lost that. Then again third grade. Lost in the sense it's lost by the surrounded people or financial or legal or people or public or different companies or big companies or cheaters, scammers. That was the reason I lost. My plan is not wrong. Okay. Then again. So I didn't stop. Till now I did 14 or 15 companies I started. But I didn't stop because concentration, confidence, and business goal. Plannings are going to be changed. And again, we need to learn in a new business. Plannings will change. The plan may be good, the plan may be bad. We are humans, right? We are not machines, pre-program everything. So what I mean to say is, when you want to be success, you need to be concentrate on your dream plan, on your goal, whatever the goal is, not only the business, in the goal, your dream goal, you want to success in the sense concentration is very, very important. Let's tell you a small example. I'm not going to bore you. The very simple example is everyone knows an electronic devices nowadays, like in a mobile phones. We all are using smartphones, computers, right? So For example, any electronic devices like these computers and these mobile phones. Mobile phone is the computer only. Okay, but the chipsets or processors are different. Apart from structure, architecture, everything is the same. So what happens when you enter, for example, you mobile is open on or your computer is on, you open the application, right? You open the application in the sense the processing is started, the data collection point is started. So where this data collected, when you, for example, open app, once you open the app, then after that you're going to search something. For example, you opened a Google and you entered like brain architecture. So once you enter the brain architecture, what happens? Input, you inserted an input. So that input, where it will go? It will go to the RAM, RAM, RAM. RAM is kind of like, virtual memory. What is meant by virtual memory? It is going to be stored sometime. It's not permanent. But memory is permanent, right? You are going to store the data. So now what happens? Once you enter the data, it will go to the RAM, and from there the data will pass to the processor, and processor will send to the where it should send to the, like again it should send to the hard drive or not, according to the the process it was going to be designed. So the same, like the human will have a RAM, a small RAM. It will store a virtual RAM. You can say that temporarily it was going to be stored. Okay, it was going to be stored temporarily. So why I'm telling you this story? See, for example, when you are reading in a book, if you are not reading in a book with your concentration, what happens? Different smells will come. Different sounds will you can hear. And your family disturbances, if for example, if you are in a home, your family disturbances, your kids disturbances, your kids sounds, whatever, you are going to get so many inputs. Not only that, what I will have a dinner today. I'm a good smoker. What happens, even for me, when I will start again one more cigarette. So this is the mind, when we don't have a concentration. Today I'm just taking a long section, I'm not having now because I'm concentrate on this. So now concentration, if you are not concentrated on that particular path, you're going to get so many things. Even though 10 years back you seen one Laila Majnu movie, that also will come. And your first girlfriend also will come in front of your eyes because you are not concentrated, right? So this is a concentration. When you won't have a concentration, what happens? You're reading the book, right? So your brain memory, temporary memory, when you are not concentrating on this, your brain processing in different stuff. What happened? You are reading book, whatever you are reading, it was going to be erased and it will come. Another data is came, right? So this data is gone. This data was gone and new data was came. And whatever the earlier you did it, you don't have the concentration, this data was gone, and this data was not stored in your hard drive also. And you are not able to understand where I am, what I am reading, what happened. because there is no data. You're not concentrating on book, you're concentrating on other stuff. So many things are coming. So in these so many things, there is no data. Again, every data is input is coming, the output, the input, whatever the new inputs are coming, the old data is going to be vanished. So very important thing is you need to understand here. You can see that I'm telling you about the brain functionalities. When we are going to go with the brain functionalities, there are uh, 5 major parts, like in your brain processing areas. I'm not a neurologist or a brain specialist. I'm not a doctor. I'm just a computer, you can say that computer scientist, coach, business coach, blah 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 blah. So many things I did. So whatever you want, you can. But I'm just trying to explain you what I have a little knowledge. So here, whenever you are getting in a different inputs, those inputs are this green color, right? So in this area, it was going to be stored. Okay. So once it's stored, that data is going to be processed and it was going to send the data to all the brain different areas. And coming to the cerebellum, cerebellum is going to be function, the nervous system and body senses, everything, sweat, whatever you are, each and every in a body you have a trillions of you can say that cells, right? So that cells data is going to be sent to your brain, right? So the data, whatever the data is processed, okay, then I need to raise my hand. So how I am raising a hand? The cerebellum is sending in some message to that particular nervous systems, and this nervous system is moving. So this is main kind of, you can say that, command control for our whole body system. Okay, if you want to walk, in the sense, the cerebellum need to be function. If not, you are not able to walk, or you will do something else. Then optical, and as per my knowledge, it's an optical all about like you know it's all about what I can say is, I'm just uh, confused. As per my knowledge, what I'm getting into my mind, I can say that optical is kind of vision. You can say that whatever you're viewing, and that processing part is going to be done by the optical. And the next is, so here the next is relative, like kind of processing, machining, like this is kind of you can say that kind of what do you say, whatever you learned till now, okay, that particular, the you can say that skills are going to be stored in this area. Okay, and the front part which you are seeing here in yellow color, that is the very important in your brain. So that is kind of like you can say that your plannings, your skills, and your learning part, whatever you're learning, everything is going to be functioned by that, and it was going to be stored here. And you have a left brain and right brain, like storing, temporary storing and permanent storing. Oh, so many things are there. I'm not that much of genius, but control is all the stuff. So in a brain only you have so many departments, right? and all the departments are connected with an ERP, right? Like ERP is kind of software. All departments are going to be centralized in one. So that connections are going to be run a good business. If you don't have a right ERP solution, like you cannot do a right business. You cannot do the business. You cannot control all the departments. So the same way, so the ERP software, I can say that, like you need to be concentration. The software is in a concentration. If you are not concentrated, so different department will behave like a different like an animals. Okay, so you are not able to success here. So I think I bored or I didn't bored. You need to comment on this. Okay. So concentration is very, very important. See, when we need to success in the sense, the first thing is our body need to be supported, right? Our body need to be supported. If our body is not supporting, then we cannot concentrate. And I can tell you only one solution to concentrate or to do anything. The first thing is we need a rules. Again, I am telling, we need a rules. In that rules, the first one is we need to do the meditation every day, minimum 1 hour practice. Early morning, woke up at 5 o'clock, 5 to 6 is a meditation at any cost. So start doing meditation, then you can control your body. Once you control your body, then you can do anything. See, very simple. I'm just driving a car with a 100-mile speed, but there isn't so much of traffic like our Indian roads. If you are not concentrated, nice girl is moving. I'm just seeing that girl. What happens now? What happens? Right? We won't have a concentration. Gone. Our life is gone. The same way, very simple, if we won't have a concentration, then gone. So, my dear friend, don't do the multitasking jobs. Multitasking. Our human brain is not designed to do the multitasking. Okay, our brain is not designed to do the multitasking. Our brain is to do only single task. We cannot do the multitask. But we need to do so many jobs, so many things, right? If, for example, in our Indian tradition or anywhere in the world, the maximum in the world, the women need to do so many multitasks. I'm so sorry. How they will align it, everything, right? If they are not aligned properly, their jobs, then what happens? Everyday fighting in your home, right? Women are very beautiful in plannings. Very, very beautiful. So, my dear friends, planning. Plan your job, plan your works, plan everything step by step. Don't do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. more than one multitask at a time. You are not designed for that. Okay. So team, I'll catch you on the next section. And in meanwhile, I think your brain got storm. Go and have a cup of coffee and come back. I love you.